Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We Are Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zian, I'm your host P Fire, aka P equals MC squared, and this is another episode of 2 Feet Bear Creps. You already know how we're gonna do it, so let's not waste any more time. And we going to drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. You know what I mean? We dropped it like it's hot. And again. Alright guys, so this just landed today. I know what it is, but let me open it up and then I can show you what it is. And I'll tell you what I've done, guys. You're gonna hate me, or I hate me. Whenever I do stupid things like this, I swear to God, it takes me days and days to get over it. So, I've ordered this pair of crepes from... I think you guys already know where I'm going with this. So I've ordered it from End, and I've done it like on a sort of quick one. I've not even really thought about it. Of course, End $6.99 for their delivery. Meanwhile, I've only gone on one. Alright, cool. You think, okay, so what's the problem? Everywhere else is free delivery. So I'm not even looking to keep these. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not looking to keep these. I'm gonna review them and send them back. Sorry, End, but I copped something else and I can't justify having both pairs, so these are going back. But good thing is I get to review them. But I paid £7 for the review. I could have got them from Offspring and sent them back. But anyway, another story for another day. Actually, no, that's the story for today, and that was it. Anyway, guys, let's not waste any time. Oh shit, am I gonna send these back now I see the box? I'm such a tart. I see a box, I start getting exotic. Anyway guys, let's have a look, shall we? Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Alright guys, let me take it out of the... It's got a little cover case. Ooh, look at that. Little cover case. Trying to get me excited. And it doesn't take much nowadays. Okay guys, look at that. Oh, that's a sexy box. Just for the box. Oh god, I said I was sending these back. Anyway, let's see what I'll go on first. So guys, as you can see by the insignia, you can see what's going on here. And let me give you all iterations of the sides. I don't even know what I'm saying, guys. But anyway, guys, you see what it says there. Use your eagle eye. Should we get into it? Let's get into it. Okay, take the lid off. Look at the lid. Oh, I'm not gonna lie. Look, that's fire. Oh, God, why don't they want me to send these back? You know I love things like this. Look, little accoutrements, little package in there with some dope fire camo laces. You know, Bape love a camo. That's kind of their MO. You know what I'm saying? Oh. Look at me, I'm like, oh yeah, these are going back, these are going back. I open the box, I see a new blue box and a little pair of laces in some cardboard. All of a sudden, I'm everyone's. Anyway, we put that down there. Let me just show you that 30 again. Okay, the papier. Look, the papier is papiering, guys. Look, there you've got your Bape camo paper right there, as you can see. And then underneath you've got your Adidas tray foil stuff, or Adidas. Alright, let's do it. 1 out. Unwrap these fine guys. 2 out. Now I'm gonna do what I always do. Put that on there. Boom. Put this on here. Put this on here. Now let's give you the 12 to the RJ, the RJ to the 12. As you can see, guys, what we have here is a pair of Adidas times Bape. Bape being bathing ape, or a bathing ape, Stan Smiths. And as you can see, guys, there's a lot going on. There's the 12 RJ. Move it to the side. Let's go from the right hand side and we gonna start. Alright guys, so it's the 30th anniversary of a bathing ape, aka Bape. And being that the case, they're doing a few little things, you know, to commemorate the 30th year of their existence. So they're doing limited edition t-shirts. They've got some nice bits, so check out the Bape store. They're doing collaborations with some crepes. And what we have here is one of those collaborations with some crepes. So here we have Adidas Stan Smith bathing ape. Okay, now let me get that back in focus. What we have here, guys, is a wonderful white crepe. Yeah, let's start where we always start. The crop circle. Let me turn it right that way. Let's check the crop circle. They've been in our field, and they were wearing a lovely pair of Stan Smith Now if we look at the bottom, nothing irregular to the regular, just the usual. Of course you got your Adidas trefoil right there, super dope. I don't know if that's the usual. Let me see if I've got any old Stan Smiths laying about. Bam 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 bam. I've got creps all over, but when I need them, are they here? Let's have a cheeky look. Oh no, that's not, that's a Samoa. Anyway guys, forget it, I'm going all out here. I've got Stan Smith somewhere, but they're not to hand, so let me carry on. So here we have the crop circle, beautiful, lovely, nice. Of course you have the midsole right there in that cream colorway right there. You can see the differential between the white and then the cream, blanco cremo. You see that right there, super nice, super nice, super normal. Of course you got the Adidas right there. You see it with the trefoil spell out. I'll just give you the little flip around, as you can see. Okay, moving on to the upper. As the eagle eye months you would have already seen, you can see these that sort of Bape camo iteration on the skin of the leather right there, if you can see up close. Let me just change my light a little bit because it's a bit overcast. Bear with me a second. Okay, we're back in the room. That's a bit better. So as you can see, look in there, can you see the, I guess you'd want to call it embossed. It's on the skin right there, and that goes all the way around, equilibrium certain beautiful thing, and you have that camo pattern there. Again, it's all in white, so you have to look a little bit closer to see it, but it's all there. Now if you look at the toe box, again you see that iteration of that camo, super prevalent all over the shoe right there. Now you go to the lace bed, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes for your laces right there, as you can see, and equilibrium c'est un beautiful thing. Of course your laces, standard white laces, nothing special. Yeah, nothing great. I like to, back in the days, I like to wear fat laces with my Stan Smith, so to be honest I'd probably put fat laces in these, you know, like the old school b-boys who were rocking their Pumas and their Stan Smiths back in the day, you know what I mean, you know what I'm saying. Of course look at the little heel bed right there, and there you have that camo hit, you know what I mean, that classic Bape camo hit, and as you can see it there, it says Bape Star, and that's STA, not STAR, and Bape Star is a model of a bathing ape shoe. Okay, moving to the tongue. The tongue is quite robust. It's quite a thickish tongue, not thick, but it's you know, it's worthy of the tongue. It's not like flimsy, it's quite there. And of course you've got the Adidas right there, and of course you've got the ape shall never kill ape head right there, you know what I mean, super beautiful. And of course, if those of you who don't know, a bathing ape was inspired by a Planet of the Apes. Nego, the founder, was a big Planet of the Apes fan, and that is where his inspiration came from. Okay, so you can see it says Adidas, a bathing ape, endorsed by, and rather than our kid Liam's face or Mr. Stan Smith's face on there, it has like I said, the Bape head. So really dope. Of course you look at the tongue in there, you can see all the, you know, what it's all about and what it's all about, the size, etc. Again, this is a really serious tongue. It's leather, so like when you're doing that, it feels like you're about to destroy it, you know what I mean. But it actually says, so this tongue's interesting. It might be a plastic tongue, because if you look in there, see what that says. Well, it says, I'll read it to you, it says end plastic waste. So yeah, maybe these are recycled or plastic, I'm not even sure, but that is made in China. So yeah, if we look here, you can see the lace Dubray, which is a metal gold coloured 30, and that 30 is a 3 and a Bape head for the 0, as you can see. Let me give you a little close up right there, which is a nice little touch. Going to the secondary shoe right here, again equilibrium certain beautiful thing. As you can see, the Dubrays match up. As you can see, the gold Stan Smith right there, I neglected to mention, in gold Stan Smith lettering, and of course your tongue is in that gold embellishment as well. Okay, so we have a slight differential right here, as you can see, and that differential, as you can see, one says Bape and one says trefoil. it doesn't say it, but it shows it. That says Bape, and that shows the trefoil, as you can see. So, you know, I love when they switch it up, so you have different on the left and you have different on the right. Speaking of which, when you now go to the tongue of the other one, equilibrium is not a beautiful thing, because why? You've got Mr. Stan of Smith right there, and of course you've got Mr. Bape of Head right there. So super nice little touches there. Stan Smith in gold, always golden, and the Bape Head in gold, always golden. Living my life like it's golden, golden. Of course you've got your double crop circle right there. You've got your literature right there telling you what's what, size 10, made in China, etc., name of the shoe. Yeah, and that really, guys, is about it. Let me just give you a little another close up just so you can see a bit more of that skin there, just so you can see. Look at it right there. Yeah, there you go. So guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really loving the box. I'm not gonna lie, I love the box more than I love the shoes, because I always love when I don't have a box I don't have. Super dope, super nice. Let me just give you the back. Again, I don't know if I can bloody keep these as much as I want to. I'm not 100% sure. Like I said at the top of the show, I don't know if I can justify keeping these. I actually really like them, but to be honest, what I might do is I return them, and I think they're going to go on sale. I really do. I don't think these are going to sell out, so what I'll do is I'll return them and grab them on sale if I really want them. That will give me enough time to think and decide whether I really want them or not. But really nice, guys. Yeah, I've just put them away, which I normally don't do. I just got carried away speaking there. But anyway, guys, this has been Adidas Stan Smith Bathing Ape collab, 30 years in the making. So guys, you already know what it is. This has been 2 Feet Bear Crepes. I've been your host, P Fire, aka P is for Plenty of Shoes. And this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. What am I even talking about, guys? I don't even know what's wrong with me. This has been Once We Are Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The end, guys. Stay dope, stay fly, and as always, leave your comments, hit me up, you know, look after yourselves and be well. I'm losing the plot, guys. Anyway, love.